don't know if I can. I haven't told Jenny because she wanna do something now. And I'm not sure I'm ready yet.
You think the first step, just sharing.